How to clear your watch history on Instagram. So if you want to clear your watch history on Instagram, then these are the basic steps you need to take. First, you need to open the Instagram application. Click on the profile picture at the bottom right. And now you want to click on the hamburger lines at the top right, which is the 3 horizontal lines. Then hang on for your settings and activity page to load. You want to click on your activity. Under your activity, scroll down until you get to watch history. Click on it. And here you have access to all your watch history. To filter by date, past week, past month, or all dates, click on the drop menu where you see all dates and click on all dates. Now to delete or clear your watch history, click on select at the top right. Now you can just go ahead, select the watch history you want to delete and click on remove. Then you should see history removed. Now click on select again and then repeat this on all the history you want to remove. Then go ahead and click on remove. So repeat this until you are done clearing your watch history. And that's it. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.